Hey guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to send an e-transfer to another account, such as a Tangerine account. So we're gonna go on and we're gonna go into your bank. So if you are a Scotiabank customer, you do have an app. Most banks have apps anyways right now. So I would do it from there. It's just easier, but you guys can do it from the website as well. So just go into the app. All right, so once you open up the app, you're gonna see this, home, and then move money. So it's on the bottom left-hand side. In the middle, it's going to say advice, then seen, then more. So you don't need none of those things. Just move money. That's your second option. Once you tap on your second option, move money, transfer between accounts, and then there's Interact e-transfer. Interact e-transfer works with emails. It's that easy. So just go into Interact e-transfer. All right, then from here, you're going to see from what account. So just make sure to check whatever account you guys like. It could be even a credit card, by the way, if you have one there. For me, it's for my check-ins account, so it's all good. And then we're gonna see two, select contact, and then amount. So right now, just type in your amount. So my amount is $250. There we go. And then just tap in 2. So just tap on that arrow. All right, then from here, if you already have contacts here, great. So go on and just tap on whichever contact you guys want to select. However, if you don't have one, you guys are gonna see this, add new contact. Once you add the contact, I'm just going to show you how that looks like. You can add the contact manually or you can import the contact from your device. We're going to assume maybe it's a new contact, so just add contact manually. Or even if somebody on your phone already, you guys can just do it manually. So we're going to do that. From here, just put contact name, contact method, and yes, it doesn't just have to be by email, it can be by text as well. So here's text, and you guys can select that. So I'm going to choose text in this case. But email is just fine. That's the more normal thing to do. You guys can do email and text, which is even better. Just to make sure they get that e-transfer. But again, in my case, we're just going to do text. Putting a phone number, contact name. So there we go, contact name, phone number. Press on done. Then just press on the bottom right hand side, continue. From here, just confirm that everything's correct. Add contact. On the bottom, just tap on add contact. Then you should see this page to enter your 4-digit Scotia PIN card. So that's whatever PIN you guys have whenever you insert your card somewhere to take out money or anything like that. Then press on continue. All right, so from here, you should be good. So right now it's being added, and then you should see from to, make sure it's all okay, your amount, security question. So this is good if they don't have something set up where it's automatically just goes into their bank account. Some people have it set up like that, so it just automatically goes without answering any security questions. But right here, make sure you send them the answer. So select a security question. And then down here, it should say message optional. So you guys can say happy birthday or anything like that if you need to. Don't have to, it's optional. Then again, make sure your security question, it's not that important as long as they know the answer. So that's my security question, my answer. So we're gonna slide to send this money, okay? So make sure everything's okay, or else you're just sending this money to a random person, which is a good thing to put that security question. But again, if they have automatic deposits, then they're gonna get the money anyways. So we're just gonna slide to send, and here we go. The money's being sent right now. Right now it's telling me that it's being sent. All right, then you should see this. Just make sure to take a screenshot just in case for your reference number. You need that just in case something happens. And then you're all done. You just sent out your e-transfer. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.